We don't have to use our mouse to select text. We can use keyboard shortcuts. I'm going to place my cursor here. I'm going to use the arrow keys now to move this to where I want it to be. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the arrow keys and the shift key, and I'm going to use the right arrow, and you'll see that I've selected one letter. If I keep pressing the right arrow key, I will select one letter at a time. So shift and the right arrow key will select to the right, and if I shift and press the left arrow key, it will undo that. However, if I come to the end of the word and use shift and the left arrow key, it will select everything to the left. Obviously, selecting a letter at a time is a bit slow, so there's a keyboard shortcut to select entire words. So what we can do on a Mac is we press shift and option, and on a PC it's control and shift, and the same on a Chromebook. So we're going to go shift and option here, and the right arrow key I'm going to press now. I should select the entire word the, and then cornerstone of etc. So I can select the entire words that I want to, and if I over select, I can use the left arrow key and come back, and just like before, if I use again shift and option and the left arrow key, it will select the word to the left of the cursor. So these are good shortcuts to select text. However, if I now select the and then use the down arrow key, it selects everything. So you can use the up and down, a combination of the up, down and left and right arrow keys with shift and option or control and shift on a PC to get this text selected really quickly, and it's faster than using a mouse.